I apologize, guys. I hit the button. Somehow I exited out of my video I was making. I apologize. But here, if you think for a second that Snoopy's going to leave that the way... For those of you who know me better than most, there ain't a stall ball's chance I'm going to leave all that dust on there. I'm going to clean that. And guys, this is a really good vacuum. I wanted to take this out and use it, but I also wanted the vacuum and filter. I wanted to service it. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to set this on my... Let's see what we got. Unit type set on the floor. I'll plug in my vacuum here. And I will give it a good cleaning. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and plug up the vacuum here. We're going to give it a good clean. Here we go. You guys will see an after I clean this off. So you go ahead and get my handle off here. I'll show you guys it after I get done cleaning the filter. 1 minute, guys. You don't have to completely wash the filter, guys. You can vacuum roll off too. Alright guys, here we go. And I'm going to show you something. Look, good as brand new. Now, notice one thing. My allergies are not even bothering me from using the bagless dirt double upright. Not even a fraction, guys. Like I said. And I have, things will make me sneeze, guys. They really will. The vessel, oh, that was the worst. I did not like the quality of that machine by a long shot. Now, with that all being said, it was the belt always kept wearing out. I've had dirt devils and other vacuums that lasted me way longer. Alright guys, it's back in there and good for service again. So let's go ahead and try and vacuum here. I think we could potentially, let's see, what we potentially do. I gotta take out the garbage in a little bit anyways, guys. That is in fact the case. I'm gonna show you something though. Ooh. Just a minute so I can show you guys how good the airflow is. Let me set you guys down for a minute. I'll figure something out here. Let me see here. This vacuum works pretty good. Let's see here. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute how good I say the airflow really is. Let's see here. I'll use an example, guys. Let's see here. What's the deal with these chips? Oh, well, it must be all bit of. I'm going to show you guys how good this really works. So, you have to put just a little bit of a sample down so I can show you guys how well it works. I have to adjust the height for it, but I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a good run of the unit. Now I want to show you guys how good it works because oh, Pringles up there, guys. My favorite chips. I do like the stack on those guys. Huh. You guys are probably thinking, what Pringles are you talking about, Snoopy? I'll show you just a minute here. It's one of my actual favorite stacks. So you guys, I like the Pringles potato chips, I do. Last night, guys, I had a nice yummy peach. I'm going to show you how well this can work. I might have to adjust the height on the vacuum, but let's see. Might not even have to be done. Let's see, guys. Here you go, guys. Let's give it a go. Wow, really good. Let's go one up for the pretzels, guys. So the pretzels. See if Bo does it, or we have to go to the middle almost. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I think we got it. Here we go. Let's see. There we go, guys. Wow. This is actually really good. Now, guys, you're seeing firsthand how good this vacuum really is. I mean, look at that. You're seeing how good this thing really works. I mean, it's pretty good. Might be for those of you who might want a daycare or whatever. You might want a good vacuum for cleaning up after those messy kids. Well, I'll tell you what. This would be the vacuum I would choose overall. Look at it. It works really good. Turn it off one more height. Now we have it on medium carpet. So let's see now. Every difficulty is getting pretzels up off of a low pile carpet up to medium, and I guarantee you, see here. Oh yeah, it'll get it right off the bat there. Alright, guys, well, there you have it. That's what Snoopy thinks of that Dirt Devil multi-surface. It's definitely really good. I mean, I cleaned off the filter already even. This thing works really good. I mean, you can't play and beat it. There's no way you can beat this if you tried. The suction's incredible. I love how the tools lock in place with the simple push of a button. There ain't no other way I'd play and rather have it. And I'm just being bluntly honest with all of you. And guys, I probably will get you guys an e-bike riding video in too. It's supposed to be a beautiful day outside today, so I'm not gonna. I don't want to just sit up in here and watch the television, really. If I can get out there and get some exercise, guys, Snoopy's gonna do it. I gotta go visit some friends. I got friends in the area here, guys, so I got some people. I got some friends that like to visit, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna go visit my buddies around the area here. See how they're all doing. make my rounds with it. I'll make you guys a Guy RC3 e-bike video today. I will do you that. I've got one from last that I was on the trail with it, and she did pretty darn good. 675 miles on the odometer, I believe. I'll check that again. I plugged it in the charge when I put it in the garage last night. Now, I'm going to start you off with another video, guys. First, Snoopy's got to clean his teeth. And then I'm going to get started with the Shark Stratos. I'm going to show you why that's also a chosen favorite of mine, too, because for those of you, might be daycare workers, might be a cleaning service. Now, I'm not knocking the Miele by any means, so don't think I'm putting down the Miele vacuums or hating on Miele, but Miele doesn't have, and I do mean this in the positive way, guys, so don't take it the wrong way before I say it. Miele does not have a lift-away canister on their bagless vacuums or bag vacuums where you can go underneath the couch. This has a lot of cool things. Self-cleaning brush roller. So if, let's say you want to vacuum a pot-infested, let's say you want to vacuum your average dog mom's house. And it's just plain packed full of hair. You'll want to take your Miele in there first. Well, I would run your self-cleaning Shark through there and get all that pet hair up, and then bring in your good $1,000 Miele, and then pick up the rest of the dirt. You know, that's how I would do it. Because otherwise, you're gonna have a long untangling hair session on that brush roller, guys. So yeah, it would take a while. But guys, I'm gonna let you go for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my teeth. Talk to you in a little bit, guys. See you in the next video.